How to play GeoGuessr for free. First, open up your browser and go to the official GeoGuessr website. Then sign up and log in, and sign up either using a free account, which allows you to save your progress and access certain features, or you can just log in if you already have credentials. Then start playing with free features, explore free game modes. GeoGuessr offers a free version that allows you to play a limited number of games daily. To start, click on play on the home page. You can play a classic mode or try other free maps like famous places or world. Then select a free map. You'll be prompted with several map options. Free users can access a small selection of maps, including famous places or some regional maps. Click on any free map you want to play and then play the game. Explore the area and then make your best guess and repeat. As a free user, you can play a limited number of times each day, typically 1 to 3 free games. If you want more maps and unlimited rounds, you'll need to upgrade to GeoGuessr Pro subscription. They also offer a 7-day free trial for new users. This gives full access to all game modes to see if this premium GeoGuessr is good for you. If this helped you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.